Hello and welcome to City Tech Tips. I'm Doug Nouwen. Would you like to learn how to change the default homepage in your browser? Well, let me show you how to do that right now. One of the things our browsers do by default is open up to a page that may have been chosen arbitrarily. And if that page isn't one that is to your liking, I'm going to show you how to change that right now. So here we have a default homepage, and I would rather have the browser open up to something completely different. So I'm going to close this, and I've got my page here that I would prefer be my home page. It's a My City content page, and to do this, what I'm going to do is click on the Tools menu and then go down to the very last option, which reads Internet Options. I'll click on that, and you'll see under the very first tab marked General, there's a dialog box under Homepage, and it says to create homepage tabs, type each address on its own line. Well, oops, I didn't actually copy that URL from the browser, and well, what am I going to do? Go back? Thankfully, Internet Explorer has a very nice little trick built in here where I can click on this button, Use Current, and it copies the entire URL over into this dialog box for me. Whew, thank you. So, in order to make this the default behavior every time I open Internet Explorer so that this window is displayed automatically, all I need to do is click Apply, then OK, and I'm done. However, some of us like to monitor more than one page, so we can actually set up Internet Explorer to open to multiple pages. So I'm going to connect to, this is the My City homepage, and I'm going to open up other tab, and this is going to be the Calgary City News blog. And just for fun, I'm going to also open up calgary.ca. So here you can see I've got 4 tabs, and I'm going to go back to the Tools menu, down to Internet Options, and instead of pasting in all those addresses, I'm going to say Use Current again, and notice it copied over all of those URLs for me without me having to do any extra work. I say Apply to commit these as my default choices, then I click OK, and just to demonstrate how this works, I'm going to close 3 of the 4 tabs. So I'll close calgary.ca, Calgary City News blog, and My City. I'm just left with this one interior My City page. Then I click on the Home button to show you the default action, and right away all 4 tabs spring into action and begin loading. Now, this is very convenient, but it could be very detrimental to the performance of your computer. I wouldn't encourage you to load too many in here. In fact, the more you have, the slower your browser will load upon opening, or having just restarted your computer. So try to do this sparingly. I mean, if it's not something that you necessarily have to have right in front of you, perhaps the choice there is just to bookmark it instead. But you otherwise are in control, and you can dictate what should be the default homepage for your browser. I hope that helps make your computer work better for you.